channel again. I've missed you guys so much. It's been a stressful period, but you know, anytime we got new gadgets, we have to bring it to you guys. And today I have some awesome gadgets for you, which is the Nokia 9 Pureview. It came in this complete box, the Nokia 9 itself, the wireless earphones, wireless charger, and the clear case. So what's going to happen is that these headphones are going to come in a different videos for the unboxing. But for now, I'm going to give you the unboxing video of the Nokia 9, how it fits into the case, how you charge your wireless charger, and for the complete review of the Nokia 9, I'm going to show you how it works with this. So let's get right into the box of the Nokia 9 and let's see what we have in it. I'm going to go straight into the wireless charger. So what do we have here? Keep this aside. We have a USB-A cable. Looks cheap. Keep this aside. And the wireless charging pad itself. Okay, from what I can see, it's 1 ampere output, so really not an extremely fast wireless charging pad, but look wise it looks pretty. But let's keep this aside. So let's go into the clear case, because this is our main attraction. So let's see what we have in the clear case. We have to take off the warranty stickers. Okay, we have another sticker over here. Take this off also. And oh, that comes out. Wow, this is some nice packaging. Wow. Okay, it's not your conventional silicone case. This feels a little bit hard, and I like the thickness. So from the box we could see here that it's transparent premium case, shock absorber, TPU, military grade protection, tailored to your Nokia 9. What do you expect? You need something great to protect this device. So let's keep this right in frame and let's get into this box. Now, before we get into the box, this feels like the smallest packaging I've seen from Nokia. It has, I think this should be the full size of the phone right in front of it, with the Nokia Android One branding. And on the back, wow, you see those 5 cameras setup. Actually, there are 6 cameras, but one of them is a time of flight, so we'll just go with the 5 camera setup. So we have not Android Pie in it already. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. Yeah, it's not the most recent processor, but it's a very capable processor. We have 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gig of internal memory, wireless charging, under the screen fingerprint sensor. We have a 6-inch POLED resolution of 538 ppi, and the car's yes, optics. So from what I've heard is that why this device had to come with the 845, Nokia took so much time trying to get this processor to run with this camera, but more of that to come in the reviews. So let's just get into the box and see what we have in it. Feels good. I'm really excited. Put this here. Let's take this off. Okay. Glorious. Still, I will keep this aside. So let's get into what we have here. This is like the normal classic Nokia boxes, where we have one compartment for all the additives. So let's get into this and see what we have here. First guy coming out. Okay, now we have a USB Type-C cable over here to USB-A. So let's leave this aside, keep it on one side. Then we have the apparently the phone doesn't come with a headphone jack, so we have a headphone dongle from the Type-C to your 3.5mm headphone jack. Keep this aside. Then we have the earphones. I think these are the same earbuds that came with the they're quite different, but it's your normal 3.5mm headphone jack, and that's why we need this adapter. Keep this aside. Let's see, the charging brick should be next. Okay, so now we have our charging brick. Wow, feels good. Now this is an 18-watt charger, so it's going to give this fast charging, and that should mean 50% of charge with just 30 minutes of charge. So let's keep this aside too. And still, I'm not getting into this. Let's see if there's anything behind this. Let me keep this. So we have our SIM ejector tool. And what do we have in this box? Quite a large box. Nothing, just leaflets. So we're going to keep all this aside. So now to the device itself. This is our main attraction. Even without getting out of these wrappings, I feel the device feels great already in the hand. Now, there's something I just have to say at this point. Nokia knows how to design devices. You know this love you get from a girlfriend that you love so much, but you had to let go because she was misbehaving. But now she's beginning to behave herself. That's how I feel about this device. So, what do we have at the back here, which is our main attraction? We have the penta lens arrangement, an LED flash. This is the time of flight camera like I told you earlier, and this is a microphone for recording. That's all we have at the back. So let's go to the front. We have our 6-inch screen and our 20 megapixel front camera. We have our headphones here, then the proximity sensors over here, and the Nokia branding here. On top we have the SIM slot. Actually it doesn't have a memory card expansion slot, so it just has a dual SIM slot, another microphone over here, some antenna bands. Then on the right side we have the volume rocker and the power button. On the left side is completely bare apart from this antenna band, and underneath it we have a microphone, the USB Type-C charging port, and the speakerphone. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put it in the case. Let's see how it fits into the case. This is machined for it, no doubt. So we're going to turn this thing on and try and set up the display fingerprint sensor. Wow, the screen looks actually really good just from the initial setup. So when I get to the fingerprint sensor part, I'm going to let you guys see how it looks. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to try and set up the in-screen fingerprint sensor. So set up the screen lock. Okay, fingerprint and pattern, fingerprint and pin. Oh, you guys can see this pin for now. Okay, let's just see. Just want to make it quick. So okay, let's start and let's see how responsive it is. Okay, thread that, thread that, thread that, thread that. Okay. It's telling me to move my fingers. Okay, continue. Okay. From what we could see, this is actually an optical fingerprint sensor. It's not the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, so it uses light to read your fingerprint, and that's why the screen lights up every time it tries to read your fingerprint. So that's 100%. So let's do done. Add face no skip. We don't want to add any face data now. I just want to do a quick, let's go. I just want to do a quick lock and unlock of the device. Every other thing about this device will come with the, okay, how do we get this to work? Wow, that was fast. Now that was fast. Okay, so for now, this is all we have about the unboxing. Every other thing you're going to see in the review, which is going to come up shortly. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, keep watching, and support the channel. Thank you.